Hey guys, it's Doug with Basic Safe. Today I'm going to answer the question, what is EHS software? Um, EHS itself is an acronym that stands for Environmental Health and Safety. EHS software refers to database-driven software applications that help manage all of the tasks related to EHS or environmental health and safety. These tools can be used for management, data trending, risk analysis, and data mining within your organization. They can play a huge role in compliancy, lowering risk, and saving companies money related to EHS. Some of the common tools they come with are for managing your SDS, your lockout tagout, and the building of lockout tagouts, JSAs or job safety analysis and the building and certifications associated with those, policy, procedure, or document storage. This is a big one. Really what it does is it's a document management system that allows you and your employees to access the safety procedures, the manuals, and the documentation that they need to do their job safely, but it's also a good place to store all of your EHS documentation. They also come with incident investigation, tracking, and management. This usually comes with a good trending piece. Should allow you to do things like track safety-related incidents or injury and illness. Usually they're going to have some OSHA reporting mechanisms built in that do automated reporting for you. You're going to see things like near miss tracking so that you can take a look at your leading indicators. A really important piece of safety management softwares or EHS management softwares is the ability to track leading indicators very well. They usually also come with training, tracking, and management. So the ability to build or use training material, as well as track which employees are trained, when employees are coming due for training, that kind of thing. Corrective and preventative actions is also another piece that comes with most of these. Sometimes also task management. Corrective and preventive actions is just going to allow you to send those actions out to other people in your organization so that you can stay on top of them. They usually are going to have a very good tracking mechanism within them to see if those actions are being completed. Are they being completed on time? Is the person that's being sent to completing it, or is it being sent to someone else after? That kind of stuff. Mobile audits and inspections. This is one that can save you a lot of time. The ability to trend the results associated with your audits and inspections, as well as just not having to put them on paper and then transfer them into a system later, whether that's a spreadsheet or another system. The ability to have those interface to where you can enter it once and immediately have some useful data. Some of the other tools that you're going to see with these are related to permits, so environmental permits, hot work permits, confined space entry forms. There may be form builders built into some of these. Scheduling tools that are going to keep you on task or keep you up to date, especially for some of your environmental or your compliance related things. It's very important and it can get very tedious. So the scheduling tool is really just there to help you, remind you, kind of play virtual assistant for you. Some of them also come with risk assessment tools that are going to allow you to complete matrices or risk matrices or risk assessments within the tools themselves. And then process safety management. If you have process safety management requirements, I would highly recommend looking into EHS management software, EHS software, because it can make your life so much easier. There's just so much that you have to track related to PSM, and so having a system built to manage that can just make your life a lot easier. But some have more. Basic Safe, for example, has over 50 tools that you can choose from. One of the main goals of EHS software is to bring all of your data together into an easy to access and managed system. A huge benefit here is the accessibility and the massive time savings that you get with these kinds of softwares. Our typical client claims a 90% time savings from whatever they were doing before, whether it was paper, spreadsheets, an internal system, because it's what these companies do. That's what we do, is put all of our effort into making sure these platforms are going to make managing all of these things easier. Generally speaking, a good system should also lower your incident rates and save your company some money. If you're lowering incident rates, you're going to spend less on training. You're going to spend less on insurance over time. And I mean, just your upfront cost of the incident. You're going to save money right there. Another huge benefit is the integrations of the software that allow you to manage risk far better than any other method. Risk management is critical for creating positive EHS change in your organization, and it consists of setting action plans in place based on the current leading and lagging indicators of your organization. Leading being the indicators that tell you that an event is likely to take place. So training is a good leading indicator, whether or not it's being completed on time, what the retention rate is. Another leading indicator would be near misses. How many near misses do you have? If you're not familiar with it, I would recommend looking into the safety pyramid. This is where you're going to be able to start saving your company some money by preventing things from actually happening. And then also looking at your lagging indicators, which are injuries or illnesses, injuries that have already taken place, and the trending of those. So you can see exactly where your company is currently losing that money. The type of trending required to do this very successfully is best accomplished through EHS software with these capabilities already built into it. The fact that all of the tools are working together to give you a concise report or a concise place to look at your data and look at your numbers, it's doable outside of an EHS software, but it's very time consuming. And we all know that as safety managers, you already don't have a lot of time. And so doing that, like I said, very possible, but you're going to have a lot better luck. You're going to get better results using an EHS software that has these capabilities already built into it. You're going to save yourself a lot of headaches and time. If you don't have an EHS software already, I highly recommend looking into them. Follow the link below to check out Basic Safe. Check out sites like Capterra to see options that are out there for you. Talk to other people in the industry. I know most people are willing to share their safety information. Everybody wants everyone to go home safe, right? So if you have any comments, any more questions about EHS software, what EHS software is, leave them in the comment section. Feel free to shoot me a message. Give me your feedback here. Don't forget to follow the channel. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and let me know what you think, guys.